In this video, I am going to show you how to add a PayPal button to your Squarespace website. Okay, so please watch the video until end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to open your Squarespace website editor. So now you want to open another website called elfsite.com. From here, you want to create an account just by answering email here and click on start. After creating your account or logging into your account, just simply click on wages. And here in the search bar, just search for PayPal. And as you can see, there is a wages here called PayPal button. So let's just select that button and you will see 3 different templates right here. So for example, let's just select this template. Just click on continue with this template. And from here, you can edit your product name, your localization and currency, the price, the shipping price and the text type, and you should also want to put your seller PayPal email right here. So just an example, I want to filling all this up and just be showing you how to put this button in your Squarespace website. So let's just click on add to website and okay, now right here just click on publish the upper corner of the screen and select the free version. As you can see, we are all done. They already gave us a code, so we want to copy this code and go back to our Squarespace editor. So here in your page, an example, just select a section. For example, just going to delete this just here. Just click on add block and find the code. Now from here, you want to double click on simply paste the link that you copied. So that's how you do it. Now here just click on preview and save mode. And as you can see, this is the PayPal button. So we have successfully added the PayPal button that we imported from EFL site. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.